Hey, what's up? It's Philip, and today I will show you how to move image in VSDC video editor. It's a fairly simple process, and we want to move this image to move to this corner from here to here. Okay, let's do it. Double click on the image. Make sure to double click it. It will open the separate window. If you want to go back to the scene, just click this scene 0 and it will go back. Okay, double click it to go back. And over here you can see this cursor effect, something like that. Just click it and press OK. And now just move this, for example, over here. You see how it's sticky? If I move it like this, okay, and now go back to scene, move this back and click play, and it will move the object very slowly. You can edit this. Just click again, go over here, or over here movement, you can delete it. Add another movement like here, move this to the cursor position, click OK, and to the cursor position it will give you the more freedom to move it like this. For example, go back, go to scene 0 and click play, and it will move it over here. Cool, right? And this is it. This is how you move image in VSDC video editor. Now go ahead and play with the settings and drop some likes and comments below if you find this helpful. Thanks for watching.